HABIBTI Hijab, located in Shah Alam, Selangor, offers a unique and high-quality hijab made from premium materials. Our main target is the younger generation who are more creative in styling hijab. The strategic location is near UiTM Puncak Beranak and UiTM Shah Alam to attract students looking for stylish hijab and scarf. Our motto is to unveil your style, embrace your beauty with HABIBTI Hijab. Captures the essence of sex expression and empowerment while respecting cultural and religious identities. Therefore, we offer bawah printed hijab for only RM30, bawah chiffon hijab for only RM30, and shawl jersey hijab for only RM25. Our mission and vision is to ensure everything is well organized and aligned with our values. ERP project implementation schedule. The first one is initiation. It takes 2 months to define project goals and objectives by analyzing each department needs. For example, the marketing and sales department aim to sell product online. This phase includes identifying key stakeholders and forming the project teams. Next is the planning. It takes 2 months this phase. We will create a detailed project plan outlining the steps needed to implement the ERP system and establishing a timeline for each phase. We will determine the costs involved, set a budget, and allocate financial resources accordingly. Additionally, we will assign the necessary personnel and tools to each task to ensure efficient resources allocation. Identifying the potential challenges and developing the strategies to address them is crucial for effective risk management. This planning phase ensures a clear roadmap and prepares us for any obstacles that may arise. The third one is execution that takes only 4 months. We will customize the ERP modules for inventory, sales, HR, and finance to fit our specific needs. Then we will prepare our data for migration and run several tests to make sure everything works correctly. After that, we will perform user acceptance testing UAT to get a feedback from the users. Once everything is ready, we'll deploy the ERP system, migrate the data to live system, and closely monitor the initial go live procedures. Finally, we will provide the training to all end users to ensure they can use the system smoothly. The fourth one is stabilization that takes only 2 months. It is to monitor system performance and resolve any issues. Adjust the configuration based on user feedback to optimize efficiency. Configure reporting tools and train users on creating and analyzing reports. Verifying the data accuracy and measure reporting metrics to ensure system stability. Lastly is evaluation that takes only 2 months. It conducts an in-depth evaluation of the ERP system operation, collect feedback from all departments, and identifying problem areas, and also make a necessary adjustment. Provide additional training, update documentation, and plan for future updates and enhancement before formally closing the project and transitioning to the maintenance mode. The organizational chart includes Amira Isabella as the CEO, which is Chief Executive Officer, Najwa Hazwani in Marketing and Sales, Rabiatul Adawiyah in Supply Chain Management, Ain Shahir in Accounting, and lastly is Siti Shazira in Human Resource.
My name is Siti Najwa. I will present the roles and responsibility of each business function. First of all is a top management. Top management will play roles in handling internal and external management to achieve business objectives and goals. So, it is their responsibility to provide a clear vision and mission for a long-term plan. As a top management, it is important to develop an organizational structure by finding the best workers to fill the vacancy in each department. For example, marketing and sales, production and supply chain management, accounting and human resource. Those business functions will help to improve operational efficiency and enable improved strategy alignment. Moreover, top management need to be communicators and responsibility to ensure employees and employers develop an effective communication. It can be an open communication between them. Second is marketing and sales. Marketing and sales roles in this organization structure includes advertising and selling the products. The marketers take responsibility for promoting the company product to create a competitive advantage for our company in the market industry. In order to advertise and sell, the marketers need to make market analysis to get sales according to the targeted marketing strategy. The data analysis is important since it offers information that is used for planning and decision making for marketing. In other hands, marketing and sales department play a crucial role in maintaining customer relationships by utilizing our CRM system to capture interactions with their customer. Last but not least is to create marketing strategies by give attractive messages, come up with the new materials, and identify target. Next is production and supply chain management. This department helps to procure materials to complete our products. It also plays a role in planning and scheduling. It includes figuring out what type of scarf to produce, how many are needed, and when they need to be made. Production and supply chain management need to ensure every fabric and other resource used to produce our product is enough according to the demand and our sales forecast by managing the inventory properly. Handling logistics and distribution also one of roles in this department. These business functions need to arrange for the delivery of complete goods to customer or distribution facility and raw materials to the manufacturing site. In this situation, complete goods from manufacturing will be distributed to our shop for sale and reach to our customer. Next is accounting. Accounting covers many departments area in terms of develop efficient and practical budgets. This involve forecasting sales, estimating expenses, and planning budget to make sure that the requirements of the business do not exceed the available resources. It also makes predictions on the future earnings trends to establish reasonable goals for production and sale, as well as identifying possible financial hazards. The accounting department must also be closely involved in cost management and analysis by tracking and controlling all production costs, which including labor, materials used in production, and overheads. Moreover, as accounting, it is engaged in various analyses that involve a comparison of actual cost of production to anticipated expenses. Lastly is human resource. Human resource is responsible in recruiting, hiring, identifying, and training employees. For instance, human resource will conduct interviews with the candidates and hiring the candidate that meets their requirements. And after that, the candidates will be through a training program and can get promotion opportunities. In this situation, HR need to identify the skill deficits, developing relevant training materials, establishing training seasons, and making a schedule available to outside trainers. HR department is also responsible for designing and administering benefit and compensation strategy. This is involved conducting compensation audit, establishing remuneration structure, and overseeing other rewards such as paid time off, pension, and medical care. Last but not least, as we know, HR is responsible for conducting payroll procedure and guaranteeing compliance with specific rules. Thank you.
I represent HABIBTI HIJAB Business Resources. We have 4 arms that support our operations: money, manpower, materials, and machinery. For marketing and sale, the first money, for ads and promotion in order to attract customer, HABIBTI HIJAB will spend money on items like loyalty cards, brochure, and giveaway. Also invest money in Facebook and Instagram for advertisement. And the second, manpower. Marketing in HABIBTI HIJAB is the only person to conduct this department. HABIBTI HIJAB workers have experience in digital marketing, customer service, market research, sales strategy, communication, and can make up the marketing and sales team. And the third, material. Content creation. Develop high quality content such as blog, video, infographic to engage with their target audience. This material help salesperson effectively communicate the value proposition to new customer. And the fourth, machine. The machine that has been used for this department is more to marketing tools needed. Enhancing marketing initiative by integrating modern marketing technologies and software such as social media management software, analytics tools, CRM system, and marketing automation platform. Next, for production expansion, the first, money. Money is one of the most important resources required for the HABIBTI HIJAB to have the purchasing power to carry out production, like need money to procure new material, buy machine, and other costs needed to continue the business. And the second, manpower. HABIBTI HIJAB has employed one person in charge as a production and supply chain management manager. HABIBTI HIJAB also has several workers at manufacturing to handle machine and quality control for inspection. And the third, material. HABIBTI HIJAB Purity is the best material for the product and has a procure of fabrics such as cotton, jersey, and chiffon. As a result, supply and demand are in balanced condition, which requires managing inventory levels to minimize stock while preventing shortages. And the first is machine. HABIBTI HIJAB has provided 2 cutting machines to cut off fabric. According to the number of machines provided, the production has limited the total daily production. It's routine for equipment maintenance to minimize downtime. Next, for accounting, the first is money. The accounting function requires dedicated money to put accounting software to enhance its functionality. This program enables the finance department to work on calculations, invoice, payroll, and tax. And the second, manpower. The qualified accountants are responsible for recording all monthly transactions and preparing essential financial statements such as income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. And the third, materials. All the comprehensive financial documents and record in HABIBTI HIJAB will always need maintenance. These materials are crucial for compliance since they contain confidential information about the customer, such as receipt from customer as proof of payment and agreements with suppliers. And the first is machine. The HABIBTI HIJAB accountant employ Excel for diverse purposes such as paper spreadsheets, calculating, arranging, and developing financial and other reports. And the last one for human resources. The first is money. In HABIBTI HIJAB company, we provide training and development programs for employees to enhance their skill and knowledge and increase their productivity. And the funds are used to boost morale and improve employees' engagement by conducting team building activities and employee wellness programs. And the second, manpower. Human Resources Manager will ensure that human resources policy and procedure align with HABIBTI HIJAB strategic goals. We will include a dedicated team of a manager, trainer, and human resource assistant. And the third, material. When hiring new employees, materials are necessary for the human resources function at HABIBTI HIJAB company and are crucial for the efficient operation of the human resources process. We will provide training material including manuals and handbooks. The last one, mission. The human resources manager will interact with the employees via email, chat, application, and online meetings. We also utilize training equipment, including projector and screen to facilitate training and conduct workshop among our staff. All this mission ensure the efficiency of the knowledge that can be the support system of the human resources department.
So, now I will proceed with HABIBTI's HIJAB business process. A business process is like a recipe or set of steps that a company follows to accomplish a specific goal. It is how things get done in a business, from making and selling products to managing money and employees. Each role in a business plays a part in these processes, and together they help the business run smoothly. Now, let's look at how business process work in HABIBTI's HIJAB company. In the marketing and sales department, it involves promoting and selling our products, which is our hijabs. It includes activities like identifying customer needs, creating marketing campaign to attract customers by using platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. We also manage the sales order. All this process has its own output to our business. For example, when we conduct a research on what customer preference, we will continue to design and make hijabs based on their demand. So at the end, we can get positive feedback as well as increase our sales. Next is for HABIBTI's HIJAB production and supply chain department. Production and supply chain department is one of the roles to make sure this business operates smoothly and maintain a competitive edge in the market. The process involved in production and supply chain processes include tasks like sourcing materials, manufacturing products, and managing inventory. HABIBTI's might work with suppliers to ensure we have enough materials to make hijabs and use a production schedule to meet customer orders on time. Now, we continue with process in accounting department. For accounting, the process is involved managing the HABIBTI's HIJAB finance. It includes tasks like record all the account payable transactions, record customer payment in the account receivable ledger. Not only that, our accountant will track and prepare financial statements like cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement. This is because it is to have a good relationship with suppliers as they will optimize our cash flow as well as to effectively track all the statements. Last but not least, the business process for human resource department. Human resource is very important to our business because it manages the company's most valuable asset, which is our employees. This is because the human resource tasks include hiring and training them to be a valuable staff. Not only for that reason, our HR also manage our employees' benefits and ensure the legal compliance. We usually conduct interviews to hire new employees and provide training to ensure they understand the company policies and procedure. In addition, our human resource will always make sure all the employees in a good performance, and if there are any issue, they will solve promptly.
Hi, my name is Nurul Shahira. Today I will walk you through the flowchart for each department in our organization, followed by an explanation of the swim lane diagram. Let's start with the individual department flowchart. I will start with top management flowchart. In establishing HABIBTI's HIJAB, the top management starts with establishing the brand, setting goals, objective, mission, and vision. In decision making, they were making crucial business decisions and conducting market analysis. In hiring position, by identifying and hiring for key position in the company. They identify stakeholder by identifying and evaluate the most suitable stakeholder. Next is overseeing the purchase of goods and running the business while focusing on continuous improvement. Marketing and sales flowchart. Start with market analysis, identify what customer need and want, and also making market segmentation. Next is develop a marketing strategy, advertise through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and etc. If successful, identify opportunities for sale. If unsuccessful, rethink strategy. So the opportunities for sales by evaluating every opportunities in the market. If buying decision is yes, proceed to successful sale. If no, marks as unsuccessful sale. So, the successful sale means achieving a sale that is successful and also getting order from the customer. And lastly, get the feedback for continuous improvement. Production and supply chain flowchart. The department starts by choosing a supplier because the item will be procured from the chosen supplier. The received goods and raw material are truly checked. While running the production schedule is important, this is also for making sure that the machines are checked from any issue. If issue detected, schedule maintenance. If no issue, proceed with production. In production area, order are produced and the finished goods will be undergo an inspection. If pass the inspection, proceed to the logistic and distribution. If fail, rework is needed. Finished goods will be distributed to the end user. Next is accounting flowchart. Initiate the process by purchasing and receiving order, sending the invoice, which means the invoice are sent out and all the sale data are recorded. Next, tracks expenses including raw material, marketing, and administrative costs. Prepare financial statement and evaluate the balance sheet. If the balance sheet is balanced, ensure positive supplier relationship and optimize cash flow. If not balanced, look for missing transaction and undergo inspection. This was to aim for accurate financial statement. The last department is human resources flowchart. The HR department initiate by recruiting and hiring employees. Candidate will go through an interview process. If successful, they proceed to the training and if unsuccessful, they are rejected. So, the performance evaluation of employee will also be including the post-training. Employees' performance were evaluated. So, the good performance employees are accepted as permanent, while the poor one will need to go through another training or submit resignation notice. So, the permanent employees are provided with employee benefits, and HR will conduct exit interview and process resignation letter for those who resign. Now, let's move on to the swim lane diagram, which illustrate the interaction between different departments. Let's start with the top management. Initiates with establishing the company mission and vision, making decision, conducting market analysis, hiring position, identifying stakeholder, and also purchasing goods, running the business, and focusing on continuous improvement. While Human Resource Department manage recruitment, interview, training, performance evaluation, and resignation. Next is Marketing and Sales. Conduct market analysis, identify customer needs, develop marketing strategy, advertise and handle sales opportunities, and also handle feedback from the customer. So, in Production and Supply Chain Department, they need to choose the supplier, procure the item from the supplier, receive the material from the supplier, run production schedule, check machine, handles maintenance, process order, inspect goods, and manage logistic and distribution to the end user. Lastly is the Accounting Department. They manage purchase order, invoice, sales data, business expenses, prepare financial statement, balance sheet, ensure positive cash flow, and maintains accurate financial record. So each department plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth operation and success of the organization, as provided in the swim lane diagram. So the arrow in the swim lane diagram helps in visualizing the flow of tasks and also collaboration between department of HABIBTI's HIJAB business.
In conclusion, HABIBTI HIJAB is a forward-thinking company excelling in the competitive hijab fashion industry by focusing on quality, design, and customer satisfaction. Its strategic location near university helped it connect with the youth market. The company's slogan emphasizes self-expression and cultural sensitivity, resonating with its customer. Implementing an ERP system shows HABIBTI HIJAB commitment to modern management and operational efficiency, integrating all departments to achieve company goals. By carefully managing resources and focusing on empowerment of women, the company fosters a positive work environment and a culture of respect. This holistic approach ensures continued success in the fashion industry.